Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Let us continue our contemplation on verses from Sadacharanusandhana. Maunam swadhyayanam dhyanam dhyeya brahmanuchintanam jnane neti tayo samyak nishedha tattva-darshanam. Silence is the study of the scriptures. Meditation is the continuous thinking of Brahman. The complete negation of both the study of the scriptures and the continuous thinking of Brahman at the altar of knowledge is the vision of truth. There are 4 categories of speech: Paravak, Pashyanti Vak, Madhyama Vak, and Vaikhari Vak. Paravak is the unmanifest source from which all sounds and words emerge. Pashyanti Vak is when an idea takes shape. The words vaguely gather, giving a more concrete form to the idea. We begin to see the idea and hence is named Pashyanti. Madhyama Vak is just before we actually speak. The words have crystallized and are clear. Vaikhari Vak is finally the words are enunciated with the help of vocal cords. To not speak, that is, not expressing the Vaikhari Vak, is called verbal silence, Vang Maunam. Quarrels end when one becomes silent. One avoids the sin of lying, angry words, or insults by keeping quiet. We conserve energy which gets dissipated in fruitless talks by observing silence. In the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Krishna says, Maunam chaivasmi guhyanam. Amongst all the secrets, I am silence. Observance of silence makes us realize how much time and energy we normally waste in talking. With silence, we become more observant, sensitive, and receptive to all that is happening around us. It helps us develop self-control. Krishna Bhagavan thus says in Gita, Maunam Atma Vinigraha. It makes us introspective, quiet, and contemplative. Such a mind is then ready for an in-depth study of the scriptures, Swadhyayanam. A regular practice of verbal silence gradually leads to mental silence. This mental silence leads to highest form of quietude, which is the non-dual, auspicious silence, Shantam Shivam Advaitam, which is our own true nature. In this state, there is no speech, no thought, but pure existence. Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha. In this verse, Acharya also speaks about dhyana. Dhyana or meditation means to focus one's attention on Bhagavan. It can either be meditation on the formless truth, Nirguna Dhyana, or Bhagavan with form, Saguna Dhyana. Saguna Dhyana is meditation on the name, form, his qualities, or his divine leelas. Nirguna Dhyana involves constantly thinking of the truth as our own nature. We presently think of ourselves only as the body or the mind. By listening to the words of the Guru and reflecting upon those words, we slowly recognize that we are something beyond the body and the mind. In every individual, there is a current which just pulsates as I. One should hold on to that and try to seek its source. Thus, slowly, when one continues to meditate with practice, by not letting the mind wander and by constantly pouring one's attention on the I thought, one recognizes his true nature as the bodiless and mindless truth, which is pure awareness. Now, let us see the Vedantic import of silence and meditation. Silence is the real nature of self. Real meditation is the death of the meditator. In this state, the confinement of Triputī, that is, the triad of meditator, meditation, and the object of meditation ceases to exist. Only that eternal, pure, ever-free truth shines forth. To remain in the stillness is real meditation. To remain in this quietude is real silence. The elaborate process of sadhana ends when our attention shifts from the plane of becoming and gets established in just being. To be is real meditation, and to be is real silence.